Hello friends, this is Jay and welcome to my channel Tech with Jay. Today we are going to do unboxing of a phone which is a very different value proposition in the space of foldable or dual screen phones. I am talking about LG G8X ThinQ. It's a very big name, but I think the phone will live up to it. I'm not a big LG fan, but this time I bought this phone to see if this phone is good enough at this price point, which is one third of the actual foldable phones, which are very fragile and expensive. But will it give the same experience or the utility which we get with foldable phones? And also to see what all things are provided by LG in the box. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing without wasting any further time. So let's look at the box. On the front, we have LG G8X ThinQ dual screen branding. On the other side, we have the LG logo. And this side, we can see the details and the inclusions and the price mentioned. So let me just get it closer. So the retail MRP is mentioned as 70,000, but currently this phone is selling for 49,999. The other things are the inclusions. We have one adapter, one data cable, one earphone. It's nice to see mobile case with additional display, one user guide, plus warranty card, SIM ejector tool, etc., etc. So let's just open the box and see what comes with the box. So I'm using the ejector pin because I don't have a cutter. So I'm not very good with plastics and the wrappers, so I just removed it. So let me keep it aside. It's a very good box. Yeah, you just push it and you get one box out here, which is I think the main phone and the accessories, and the second box here I think contains the dual screen. So first let's unbox the main box. Let's keep it aside. What do we get here? I think this is the manual. Oh, it's nice to see one more case, which is a TPU case, silicone case. Looks to be nice quality. Let's keep it aside. We have LG manual, quick start guide. Let's keep this aside. Oh, this is a nice inclusion. We have a microfiber cloth for cleaning the phone. This is the actual phone. I'll keep it aside as of now. After this, we have a power brick. Very different one, little elongated. It's a fast charger. I think it's a 18-watt fast charger, and a data cable with USB Type-C. We'll keep this aside. And I think these are earphones. It's nice to see earphones, and they come with extra tips. So these earphones are with 3.5 mm headphone jack. So I'm sure the phone retains the 3.5 mm headphone jack. Yes, it's there. I don't think you can see it clearly, but yes, there is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. And I think LG also has a 32-bit Hi-Fi Quad DAC, which gives a very good sound output for wired headphones. So I'll be testing it later, but just wanted to share that information. So we'll keep the box aside. and let's look at the phone. So I'll just remove the phone. Should I get it? I'll just push it. Oh, push it downwards. Coming out like this. Yes, it's a beautiful phone, and I accidentally hit the power button, I think. So this is the phone. On my right side, I think I have a power button. On my left hand side, I have the volume rockers, and I think this is the Google Assistant key. On the top, we have a SIM slot and nothing else. On the bottom, we have a grill for the speaker here. And a Type-C USB port and a headphone jack. So it's a good implementation. It has always on display, looks very nice. I'll be setting up the phone later, but now let's look at the dual screen and how it works. So I have to open this again, which is a cumbersome task. Yep, it opened. So let's see what comes in the box. As I said, this is the dual screen, and I mentioned it. So it's I think it's kind of a flip cover which comes with a dual screen. So let me just open it. Now, it has a very glass-like finish. On the top, it has the LG dual screen branding at the bottom. There is a cutout at the back for the camera section, and then we have volume rocker buttons and the Google key button here, and then there is a cutout, a big cutout, I think, for the power button and the rest of the phone to open up on this side. So it is a very good feel. It has some manuals in it. Again, I'll keep it aside. There is a, oh, nice. So there is a different adapter, I think, which can be used for charging the phone while it's in the case. So let me just take it out. The packing is really nice. Yep. Got it. So I think this is the port. I think it's magnetic. So yeah, perfect. So in this you can put the USB Type-C and then charge the phone while it's in the case. You can see this screen is a fingerprint magnet, and I think LG should have done something about it, but let's see how it works once the phone is placed in. So I'll just keep this aside. I'll open the case. I think it's a very easy process. I just have to slip the phone in. There is a USB Type-C port at the bottom, and just fix the phone here. Oh, there is a button here. I think if we click on this button, yes. So this is how the dual screen looks once the phone is plugged in, and both the screens are exactly similar. So it's a very nice implementation. They are bright and vibrant, and they look really nice. If we flip the case back, we get a small display here, 2.5 inch display, which gives you the date, the time, and the notifications, which we can see without opening the phone. And on the back, there is a leathery finish. So it's plastic, but it feels like leather. So it looks and feels very premium. There are two lenses here for camera. One is a 12 megapixel regular lens, and one is a 13 megapixel wide angle lens. On the front side of the phone, there is a 32 megapixel camera. This time LG has not compromised on the front camera. I think that was certain complaints by customers that LG is not been providing a good front facing camera or a high megapixel good quality front facing camera. And I think LG has heard the customers, and they have given a good 32 megapixel camera. I will be doing certain tests on the camera, and I'll be coming back with my opinion video. So please keep a watch, and that time I'll be talking about the camera performance and the image quality which is coming out of both the back and the front cameras. On the second screen, there is a similar cutout here. We don't have anything there, but I think LG is using the same panel which they use in the main screen, and that's why this cutout is there. And at the same time, it maintains the aesthetics and the symmetry of the phone, and it looks very nice. So I like the implementation of these dual screens. And one more benefit about these dual screens is that when you want to do multitasking or gaming or any other use of dual screen, you can use it. If not, you can just pull out the phone and it becomes a normal mobile phone. So it's a very good implementation. I liked it. And as it's a dual screen, we can use two apps, two different apps on this phone. One side I can watch YouTube content, other side I can do messages. This is a 360-degree free stop hinge. So there is no specific angle where the screen will stop, but you can keep it anywhere you want. So it's a very useful thing. I can completely rotate it. On the back side, it goes off and it becomes a normal phone, like with the flip case. If I want to read something, I can read it and position it like a book or something. But if I want to play a game or if I want to watch content, I can just keep it like this or on the table like this and watch the content. So it's a very good implementation, utility wise, very nice. It becomes a little bulky, a lot of fingerprints. It becomes little bulky, but I think it's not very big phone, and it can be used easily with two hands. Obviously it's not a one-handed phone when put into the case. When you pick out the phone, yes, you can use it with one hand. So that's about it as of now. It's a good looking phone. It's a different phone, a very good value proposition. I will be using this phone for a few days, and then I will be posting my opinion video with certain pros and cons of having a dual screen or this way of implementation. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like the video, and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you get a notification. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. This is Jay signing off for today. Thank you and have a nice day.